Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy things with PayPal without credit card or bank account. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in PayPal, just click on the sign up option, and from here you can choose from personal to business. And all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so once you are here, if you want to buy things using PayPal without linking a credit card or bank account, you have a few options. Because number one, if you receive enough money from PayPal or have previously transferred money right here into your PayPal account, you can use your PayPal balance to make purchases, right? Simply ensure you have enough funds in your PayPal balance to cover the cost of your purchase. Now, the next option that we have is to use gift cards, because some retailers and online platforms offer the option to purchase gift cards using PayPal. And as you can see, these are the most popular gift cards that you can use using a PayPal. So there's a lot. Now, you can use these gift cards to make purchases on those platforms without needing to link a bank account or a credit card, and look for retailers that accept PayPal and offer gift cards as a payment option, just like here. All right. Now, the third option that we can do is you can simply go to this website called PST or Pay Store Transfer. It's a premium virtual cards. So basically, it's not a credit card, it's not a bank account, it's a digital premium virtual cards that you can use to tie up to your PayPal account, so you can buy things using your account. Now, all you're gonna do is just create an account here and then go to your PayPal account and go to wallet. And from here, all you have to do is link a card, which is gonna be your PST. All right. Now, click on link a card. And from here, all you have to do is select your card type, which is going to be your PST, the premium digital card that you can use. Put the expiration date and the security code, and you're good to go. Now, the next option is just go to and purchase a prepaid PayPal cards, because PayPal offers prepaid cards that you can purchase and load with funds. Now, these cards function similarly to debit cards and can be used to make purchases at any merchant that accepts PayPal. Now, you can use the funds on the prepaid card without needing to link a bank account or a credit card, because from here you can manage your money on the fly. I'm also using this one to one of my accounts, so that it's not connected to any of my credit card or my bank account. All right, so explore the PayPal prepaid cards. Just go to the website and look for the options here. All right. Our third option is you can buy what you want without a credit card using the option using Tapago. All right. Now, you can register for free at Tapago. With this one, with PayPal and Tapago, you can transfer funds from your local bank to your PayPal account and shop without a credit card in more than 200 countries. And again, just make sure that Tapago is available on your region. Otherwise, you are not going to be able to use it. But if you do have, you are lucky, because you can do it seamlessly without any further concerns. All right. Now, the last option that we have in store for you is using Chase, because they are partners. And from here, you can check out securely online at millions of sites with your Chase card and PayPal. Now, as you can see, this is where you went to use your Chase card and PayPal, and you can be confident that your account information is secure and eligible purchases are protected. So right now, I'm using Chase and PayPal. So basically, this is how to add your card to PayPal. It's very easy. You can use it. You can use your mobile device on the web platform, and these are where and how to use PayPal using your Chase card. Okay. Now, each of these methods has its own advantages and limitations, so choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Keep in mind that some merchants may have restrictions on certain payment methods, so it's always a good idea to check their payment policies before making a purchase. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.